Hey everyone, this is Munmun. Welcome to my channel Educational Talk with Munmun. Now let's start today's topic. Today I will tell you about the uses of do, does and did. When we ask something, when we ask any question to someone, at the time we use do, does and did. Okay? Now see, first I will tell you the use of do, then I will tell you the use of does, and after that I will tell you the use of did. Okay? See, first do. Simple present plus subject, plural I, you, do. Means when the sentences will be in simple present tense and the subject will be in plural or I or you, at that time use do. Once again I am repeating, when the sentences will be in simple present tense and the subject will be plural form, and I and you, at that time use do. Maybe I is singular number, but when there will be I, at the time use do. Okay? See, example, I am giving you one example. They go to school. Okay? So here the subject is they. They means singular, plural, plural. So they, plural. Now verb. See, there is verb go. So go is in present form, not in past. Go, the past form of go is went. So go is in present form. That means here it will be do, as the subject is plural and the verb is simple present. So here I will use do. And remember, when you will use do, does or did, there will be no auxiliary like am, is, was, were, like that. Okay? So here I am using do. Interrogative sentence. Okay? Means I am asking a question. Do. Now here will be subject. Do they. Then verb go. Then to, then school. Question mark. Do they go to school? Here I have used do as the subject is plural and the main verb is in simple present tense. Now I will tell you the negative sentence, okay, of it. See, when we are using negative sentence, we generally use no, not or never. Okay, here I will use not. See, negative, first I will write the subject, they. Then they not, no. They, here we will add do. Okay, they do, they not. They do not, then you will write that one. Verb after that object. They do not go to school. Now the use of does. See, simple present plus subject singular does. Means when the sentences will be in simple present tense and the subject will be singular number, at that time use does. Once again I am repeating, when the sentences will be in simple present tense and the subject will be in singular number, use does. Okay? And when you are using does, remove s or es from the main verb. When you are using does, remove s or es from the main verb. So here is the example. He goes to school. See, the subject is in singular number and the verb is goes, simple present tense. And remember, one more is a trick to use does. When you are saying that there is es or es in the main verb, at that time just close your eyes and use does, D-O-E-S. So here I am using does. Does, then the subject, he. And when we are using does, at that time we will remove es when you are writing here. So does he go to school? Question mark. In the negative sentence also we will use does. He, then does, then not. He does not go to school. Now the use of did. Simple past plus subject, singular or plural did. Means when the sentences will be in simple past tense and the subject will be in singular or plural number, use did. Once again I am repeating, when the sentences will be in simple past tense and the subject will be singular or maybe plural, use did. And when you are using did, the main verb will be the present form. The main verb will not be the past form. Okay, I am showing the example. Example, he went to school. Here subject is he and the main verb is went. So went is the past form of go. Go is the present form of went. So go, went. Now see, the main verb here is past form. So I will use did. did, then the subject he. After that, as I have used did, so I will write the present form of it, go. So did he go to school? Same will be in negative sentence. First you will write the subject he, then did, then not. He did not go to school. Now I am showing you more examples so that it will clarify your doubts. See, John writes poems. Here John, subject is singular number. Okay, subject singular. Plus verb writes. Writes, it is in present form. It is in present form. So in present form we use do or does. So here s is there. So that means it will be does. Interrogative, does. D-O-E-S, does. Then subject John, then write. As I have already written does, so that s will not be here. That s will be removed. So does John write poems? Question mark. Now in negative sentence, same. The sentence first the subject will be John, then does, then not. As we use not in the negative sentence. So John does not write poems. Don't forget, when you are using does, don't write s. Remove s from the main verb. When you are using does, so remove s from the main verb. Now next one, John wrote poems. Here the subject is singular number and the main verb is wrote. Wrote, it is the past form of write. So here it will be did. Okay? So did John wrote, write. I will write as I have already written did, so I have written here the present form of wrote. Did John write poems? Question mark. Now again same will be negative sentence. First write the subject John, then did, then not, as we use not in the negative sentence. Then the present form, then object. So John did not write poems. Stop. Next, John and Ronit write poems. Here subject is plural, John and Ronit, and the main verb is in present form. So when the subject is plural and main verb is in present form, we use do, D-O, do. So I am writing here first do, then John and Ronit. It will be write poems. Question mark. Next, negative sentence, John and Ronit. John and Ronit. Then do not write poems. Stop. So these are the uses of do, does and did. Do practice it at home. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.